Soil health is actually very similar to gut health in that if it doesn't have a good balance of microbes, it won't perform as well as it should.
POPUL8 is a powerful advanced soil biological that uses a diversity of beneficial bacteria and fungi to build resilience and to avoid plant stress. This promotes strong, healthy growth both above and below the ground.
Just add 1 capful, around 40 millilitres, into a 10-litre watering can, then top it up with water to dilute. The microbes are in a sleeping state until diluted, so be sure not to miss this step. Apply directly to the soil around your plants, ideally when UV levels are low. The mixture remains effective for up to a week after dilution. It's always a good idea to water the application in well, as the microbes need to get washed down into the topsoil so that they are protected from sunlight and can reach the organic matter that will make up their food source. Once there, they will begin to multiply. Populate your garden at least once each season on all plant and soil types, alongside your regular fertilising routine. If you're treating struggling plants, opt for a monthly application.
Think about POPUL8 as a probiotic that you use to improve your health. Same principle, just for soil. And it's easy to remember you're essentially populating your soil with beneficial bacteria and fungi. And the best thing is, this can be used on all plant and soil types all year round. Visit the Nutrog website for more information or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.